crab and stink bean sambal.
Hello guys, today we're going to cook crab and stink bean sambal, a twist from the prawn and stink bean sambal. First peel the stink bean to get the flesh, or you can buy it peeled from the Asian grocery store. Next, prep your crab. Don't throw away the shell. Blend the shallots, onions, ginger, garlic. Slice the white onion. Mix tamarind paste and chili paste. Mix them together thoroughly. Before frying the shell, crack it up. This will help increase the flavor and aroma of the crab. Fry the sliced onion and blended mixture until caramelized. Then put in the tamarind and chili paste mix into the caramelized onion. Put in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce into the mix and stir. Put in half of palm sugar into the mix and continue stirring. When the sambal is reduced, add 2 cups of water. Let it simmer and then add the crab and stink bean into the sambal. Let them cook for another 5 to 10 minutes, depending on the amount of crab you use. Done and ready to be served and eaten. This sambal goes great with white rice. This sambal tastes sweet, savory, and just a little bit spicy. Caution: if you eat a lot of stink beans, your toilet will stink. Like, subscribe, share, and press the bell icon for more videos.
Thanks for watching.